Oh, you set it up here. They're calling it the SPEEDBEAM Express because it can be installed 30% quicker than other leading brands. One of the reasons it's so quick is because of this. Every SPEEDBEAM Express has an integrated emergency base. You simply snap in the true plug-and-play pack for emergency functionality. No messy wiring, it's that easy. This LED batten is packed with express features, from marked drill points for maximum precision to end caps with an easy twist lock close. And it's just so tidy, I always find ROBUS battens give you an extra little bit of room to work with. The SPEEDBEAM Express makes tidy wiring even easier with the cable clamps and the push-in 4-way connector blocks for loop-in, loop-out connections. The safety straps are another great feature. No more juggling the diffuser while you're up the ladder. A shout out to ROBUS's new product development team. Job well done. But the real showstopper is the new microwave sensor with 3-step dimming. Let's have a look at that. 3-step dimming, or corridor function as it's also known, means the light will only come on when you need it. The sensor picks up motion, the light turns on, and it gradually dims from full to half to off until there's no more movement. The dip switch design gives you much more precise control, much better than old rotary dials. All this and you can get in 4 different sizes to suit any application. SPEEDBEAM Express is a true all-in-one product.